Hello everyone, I'm Kyla and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my birthday present, which I have right here. I'm super excited about this unboxing because I've wanted one for so long, and if you can tell, or if you know, the size of the box is kind of a giveaway of what this is. So I will go ahead and unbox this right now, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've already used this because I'm not exactly the most patient person in the world. So the moment I got this and I walked out of the store, I got into the car, I kind of opened it right away because I was just so excited to see it in, you know, daylight. Everything hits different in like different lightings. So anyways, I have here the strap. The strap is a pretty good indicator of what this is if the box was not a dead giveaway. Oh, and it's right here. Okay. Honestly, I've used it before filming this video because I am not exactly like want to keep my stuff and to like wait. Even if I buy a new outfit, I have to use it like almost instantly after washing it. It's just how I am. So here she is. Honestly, this color is everything. Just look at how cute this bag is. It is a Tricolour Mini Kelly. I could not believe it when my essay actually told me about the color. In the beginning, she was just like, oh yeah, you wanted a bag, right? And I was like, yeah. But then she's like, so what bag do you want? How about a Mini Kelly? I actually mentioned it in passing and she remembered, which was so sweet. And you know, she knows that I really love small bags. And when she was describing the item, she was like, there's no way you'll say no to this color. I'm like, yeah, okay, I trust you 100% because she really knows my taste. This is everything. Yes, I even painted my nails to match because I'm tacky that way. So let me just check on the color. This is Nada, Chai, and I want to say green maya, some kind of grey color. So they're all very neutral colors, which hits perfectly. So it's in palladium hardware, as you can tell. Okay, so I left the stickers on just for today's unboxing. So I've been using this outside with this stupid sticker on, and I really like resisted the urge to tear it because I really wanted to film like a proper unboxing. But yeah, so let's undo this. It's so cute. Everything about this is so adorable. Even this little felt thingy is so tiny. Okay, so the inside is lined with like a much more supple leather. I guess it's just like normal leather. Which, to be honest, I'm quite afraid of getting dirty. So I actually ordered an insert for this, even though the bag is already super tiny, because I'm even afraid to put like lip gloss or lip balm in here because of like the color. It's really going to show if anything that's dirty gets into this bag. So it comes with a little slot behind, as if you need a little tiny slot when the bag is already so small. So the compartment that I got, the organizer that I got is not really to organize anything, it's just to like keep it clean. So I'm finally going to undo this. Okay, it's a little bit tougher to do this now, so I'll just like get it off later. Okay, I just got like a little piece of it off. Okay, it's a little bit tough to get this undone, but there we go. And it's off. I've been wanting to do that for so long now. So now you can see what it looks like. It comes with these little loops here for the strap. So for these like Tricolour bags, the strap would match the handle, or that's what I'm told. So yep, here it is. Something that I found to be like quite annoying about this though, if I have to really nitpick a con, would be it's not exactly the easiest to attach the straps. You see, it's a little bit, you have to like really get into it at an angle. But other than that, I have zero complaints whatsoever. See, even the stickers here, I kind of like left them on for this video, but I'm gonna take them off right now. Isn't she just pretty? And honestly, I've used this quite a fair bit already since I got it. Maybe about, when did I get this bag? Last week, I think, or last week. And yeah, I've already used it quite a fair bit. So overall, I don't see anything so far. So that's the reason why I'm just like really waiting for my organizer to come so that I can not be so afraid of using this bag. So a little backstory of when I got this bag. Basically, she texted me, I was gonna say she called me, but no, she texted me and she told me like, oh yes, it got approved, and I was so excited. I can't even remember what I was doing that day, but basically we got to the store I think within the hour because I was so excited. As you can probably tell, I just cannot stop smiling when I talk about this bag. So what happened? It was a total blur because we got down so fast, and then we brought Cohen because it was after his school, so he was still in his uniform. That tells you like how impromptu this trip to the store was. So we basically went to the room and then she showed us the bag. She took a while to take it out of the bag because Cohen was just everywhere. He started taking off his clothes because he thought it was a changing room, but yeah, just one of their rooms. So that was basically it. I saw the bag for a little while in the store, but you know, it's a little bit dark in there, so you can't really see it, you know, in all its glory. So the moment we got to the car, yeah, I took it out instantly, so I have zero patience. I know like some people can really wait and unbox it, you know, when they get home or when like that special occasion arrives, for example my birthday. I could have waited, but I am not the most patient, so yeah, I couldn't even wait like, I don't know, what, 15 minutes. We got to the car in under 5 minutes since we left the store. So that is basically the backstory about my experience when I got the bag. It's a very tiny bag, but it fits everything that I needed to fit. So I will do a little what's in my bag or what fits in my bag. So I have my wallet, which is tiny. I have my phone, and then I have this lip balm that I've been using, and mainly because it is white so I can see if it's dirty, and if it's gonna dirty my bag, tissue paper. You see, there's still room for more things, but okay, the only thing that's missing from here is my car keys, which I have no idea where it is. So anyways, I will just exclude that part for now, but you can see there's still room for more stuff. If you want, you can probably put a compact powder, but I don't use compact powder, so I don't have to. Usually I just go out with a lip balm because I have very dry lips. If you have noticed, you can actually notice like in the videos, sometimes when I'm editing I'm just like, gosh, why are your lips so dry? So yes, I bring the lip balm out, but I hardly ever use it because I'm just quite lazy. So yeah, I would just use the bag with this portion closed. I rarely ever do up the entire thing because it can be quite a pain sometimes, especially, you know, you have to pull this part in, pull that part in. Yeah, so usually I just do this portion here like that because it's a lot faster and a lot easier. And okay, now that I've removed the sticker, it is so much easier to put things in and out because previously it was kind of like blocking the entryway. But yes, that's what fits in my bag. I got this for my birthday push present. Who knows, my birthday is in a couple of days, so I guess it counts as my birthday, but it could also count as my push. So my husband's really lucky, he gets to, you know, get one gift for a couple of occasions. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, because I just can't talk about this bag for ages, to be honest. So I should stop myself before this video gets way too long for what it really is, an unboxing of a Mini Kelly. I know I can't stop smiling because I really love this bag so much. I have not been excited about a bag for so long, and this bag did it for me. It hit the spot. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.